Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to do some more trailer mods. I'm not going to do a part 1, 2, or 3 because I'm always probably going to improve it and add LED lights if you know me or this channel. But today it is a fairly decent day for middle of November. It is the 20th. It is 49 degrees outside. It has rained and rained and rained, so hopefully all the salt off the road. All the salt is off the road. I'm losing here. And the reason we're doing this today is that I need to move all the motorcycles from my shop to the storage unit. And I work at midnight, so I have a few hours of daylight to do this. So we are going to go to Menards and get some E-Track. E-Track looks like this. It's pretty universal stuff it's a track where you can put multiple hook points. You're not just tied down to wherever you got it bolted or welded to the trailer at. So today, we're gonna get probably 2 links of E-Track, put it down the middle of the trailer, so we can put motorcycles 2 wide on there, because I want to be able to anchor it at 4 separate points. So I don't want to lose them. So I got 2 Harleys and a Suzuki to move today. So let's get to Menards and get some shit. This is not for kids, because YouTube, if you've read the user agreements now, you can't make videos for kids. None of my videos are for kids. Like, if you're under 13, don't watch this shit. I curse and we drink and we smoke and stop watching. We're back from Menards. I almost lost you. We got a bunch of shit, like $120, I think. But they got rebates. This is what we got. Alright, so I got 2 lengths of 60-inch E-Track. It's going to go down the middle. Hopefully, I really haven't decided how I'm going to mount it. I got 4 E-Track hooks. Got 4 of them. They're 2,000 pounds working load, 6,000 pound braking string. I got 2 extra hooks. I think I have 2 more somewhere. Use a bolt down. I weld them. I just plug weld them. Got these deck screws to try and secure them to the wood. And then also like to go all the way through the wood with 1/4 bolts and fender washer. And I got these motorcycle straps. These are cheap. This is like $2, $3 a box. And I got some more straps. All right, so let's get to work. Okay, so I got both E-Tracks down. This I did 2 holes in between, and this one I did every hole in between. I don't think I'm going to drill to the frame right now. I'm hoping this will hold. Kind of run out of time. But, you know, with all the screws, you're distributing the upward forces that you're putting on it. So
yes,
let's
science!
try and get a motorcycle on. do, strapping down a motorcycle, especially on a trail like this where you don't have a wheel chock thing, is you put it down on the kickstand, right? You tighten it, just get it taut, right? And then you start on the opposite side and pull it so you tilt the bike this way, because you want to try and get it off the kickstand so it's not bouncing on the kickstand. You want to try and bounce on the suspension. So alright, see how sturdy that is? We're shaking the whole trailer. And it's not flexing that E-track at all. But I think just because I have the extra screws, we'll go ahead and zip those in there. Alright, so we're going to use this other hook, this 5,000 pound hook. We're going to put it right in the middle of the fender. This is a solid fender. I was going to put it on top, but then I remembered that some of my car doors come pretty close to the top of that lip, and I don't want to hit that. So we're going to put it on the inside. Okay, so I am really happy with the way this turned out. We got 4 anchor points, pulling it down on each side, pulling frontwards, and then these are pulling backwards. I'm happy with the way this turned out. Yeah, that's not gonna go anywhere. Alright, now I gotta figure out if I'm gonna put the TL on here or go get the Ultra Classic. Yeah, I think we can do that. Let's put the hook, another hook over here. It should be okay. Why? It never fucking fails when I'm in a hurry or I gotta get something done. Fucking ran out of wire. Like, well, I got an extra spool, so let's put it in. Fuck! I'm getting pretty proud of this trailer. It's coming along pretty good. I got both hooks on. I got the E-track in the middle. Added those hooks. Well, this thing only had the 2 front hooks when I bought it, and the stake pockets, and those are pretty much garbage for tying stuff down. So I want to do something with the ramps. Maybe, I don't know, add a 3rd one or one big flat one that folds up. I don't know yet. yeah, this worked out really good. I'm happy with this. So, all right, let's go pick up the other bike. Okay. We got all hooked up. Those are the trail lights. I would like to put a set up top. We got everything nice and tight. 4 points each way except for the cruiser because of the badge. There's really no good way to tie that down. So I ended up using my car axle straps. Strapped it around the tire. Hooked it. And I got split 2 points so it centers. So it's not pulling to one side. Then I got the Menards straps up top. And tight. E-track is good to go. Box is locked. This is looking good. Hopefully I don't lose them. Okay, so we made it. It's about 45 minutes from where, 45 minutes to an hour from where I last saw you. Straps held up good. I can't talk. Straps held up great. E-track still down. Hooks are still on. Everything went well. Didn't lose anything. The lights were flashing on the bike every so often, but yeah, that worked good. That was definitely worth the time and the money putting that E-track down. I mean, I probably could have done it without it, but it would have been a nightmare. So, but yeah, I think I'm gonna leave you here. I gotta get the bikes in. I don't have my tripod with me. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. We'll come back and visit this area some more. Yeah, I got other videos on my channel if you look, of getting the 50 here and getting my S10 here. So anyways, this is Fix Fab.